Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this silver blingy makeup look for Christmas, and I kinda loving this look, like this bold red lips and this blingy outfit. They all are like looking apt for Christmas. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. Alright people, so my skin is already prepped and now I am directly moving on to my foundation. And for foundation today I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation and I'm in the shade F6. So this is the quantity that I need, and now as you all know, I like my base to be dewy. So what I like to do is I take 2 drops of this facial oil on my face like this. By this way you get a very dewy kind of base, and it's very easy to blend your foundation like this way. For concealer, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm in the shade Medium. So there's a pro tip again, like if you are a beginner and you think that your foundation or your base makeup, like the whole base makeup is looking cakey, you can take this Damn Beauty blender and run it all over your face to get rid of excess product. This is what I do, and by this way your base looks flawless as well. Okay, so now for contour I'm gonna use the same Wet n Wild contour stick. Use this Fit Me Loose powder and I'm in the shade 15 Light. So I'm gonna swirl my concealer brush and then I'm just gonna dab it like this way, and then I'm gonna dunk my Damn Beauty blender into this powder like this and apply it like this way. For my brows today I'm gonna use this Miniso eyebrow powder kit and I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade. Alright guys, so I have applied powder under my eyes because I don't want any fallout, because we are going to work with some glitters, and I'm really very excited for this eye makeup. It is simple but yet so glam. So first I am going to use this Nicka K palette. This is in the variant Mocha and it has all sorts of this neutral brown tones in this, and I'm gonna work with this color as my transition color first. I think I'm gonna zoom you a little in so you can see what's happening on my face. Now I'm gonna take a color which is slightly darker than this one, that is this brown. And now I'm gonna focus on my outer corners first. So just pressing it here and then here. Now I'm gonna move my brush like in this V kind of shape, like up and down, up and down, up and down, like this way. And then I'm gonna take the same color and add it on my crease, like I'm gonna define my crease with this. Now I'm gonna take this brush which is a slightly flat kind of blending brush, and I'm gonna take this dark brown color and I'm gonna add it on my outer corners, like just placing it like this way. Now again taking the same blending brush and I have no color on it, I'm just gonna diffuse this dark brown color with the transition color so that it doesn't look sharp at all. I want it to look like soften. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner from Maybelline. This is a liquid eyeliner.
I'm gonna apply a winged eyeliner. Yes.
That's it. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here as well. Yes, and now it's time for the silver glitter that I was talking about. And what I'm gonna do with this glitter is I'm gonna create a wing eyeliner like on the top of this black one. Not on the top of but above black eyeliner. I'm gonna line with this silver glitter. I don't have any silver eyeliner. What I do is I take this silver glitter eyeshadow and I dip this eyeliner brush into this thing and draw my eyeliner with this. Alright, and now let's quickly finish this eye look, and for that I'm gonna take this dark brown color to my lower lash line. This is what I feel is left in this eye look. Yes, and then mascara. And now taking this flat shader brush and taking this light brown color. Alright, and now for contour, I'm gonna use this Sephora contour because I have done cream contour, so I want to top it up with the powder contour. For blush, I'm gonna use this Sunset Malibu blush, and this is like a very coral kind of blush. So I'm gonna lightly dust it like this way and merge it with my contour. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with blood red color because there is like what a Christmas without red lips. So first I'm gonna line my lips with the lip liner. So like this is a perfect Christmas lips, and the color that I'm using is from Nykaa, and it is their variant Metalicious lip crayon, and I'm in the shade Call Me Scarlet. It is a very beautiful deep red color. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and this is the final result. I really love this red lips, silver eyeliner and this whole outfit. This look looks apt for Christmas and it is like super blingy. I'm kinda loving this look with every accessory and everything on it. So if you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, then please give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.